The Nissan GT prototype race car has been an international success story almost from the first moment it turned a wheel. In season after season in IMSA's premier racing series, Nissan GTPs have won drivers and manufacturers championships numerous times, not to mention countless races. This is a racing effort that has set new standards for race car preparation and race team management. Nissan began its racing exploits with IMSA under the banner of the Electromotive Team, an independent racing organization that began winning races almost immediately. Its success convinced Nissan to buy Electromotive and has now constructed its own facility in Vista, California, where the Nissan GTP campaign comes together under the Nissan banner. This new racing epicenter is the home of Nissan Performance Technology Incorporated. This truly state-of-the-art operation consists of 3 separate buildings covering over 55,000 square feet. What was once an operation of only several employees in 1979 has grown to over 130. While Jeff Brabham, Chip Robinson, Derek Daly, and Bob Earl enjoy the immense publicity and celebrity status that come with winning race after race with these spectacular race cars, there are a great many tireless technicians, designers, mechanics, and managers that work behind the scenes, whose contributions to Nissan's dominance in GTP racing don't make headlines, but are vitally important to this continued success story. Trevor Harris is the chief chassis designer at NPTI, and he tells us more about this revolutionary operation.
Nissan Performance Technology is a complete racing facility. Its purpose is to take care of the complete design and construction efforts of GTP cars. So we're able to take a car from the drawing board to a running shape completely within this facility.
Designing and building a successful GTP car requires not only careful thought, but scientific know-how.
Starting from a clean sheet of paper, we in the engineering department assign certain values to various areas of the car and set about designing various components of the car. Everything about the car originates in the design department. We also have people working on body components, design of body components, design of all sorts of areas of the car that aren't directly connected with the chassis or the body, all sorts of sub-assemblies, for instance, connected with the engine. The designs will go to either the fabrication department or the machine shop. And the machine shop will take a drawing and basically turn out whatever the component design is. We can machine everything from small brackets to engine blocks and head assemblies. Likewise, the fiberglass shop, or composite shop as we'll call it these days, takes care of all the body work. And we can take a body project from the design stages to a complete body within this facility. We have a rather complete and comprehensive engine facility, and the engine department's job is to develop whatever engine we intend to be running in our race cars.
These 2 giant NPTI transporters are an indication that going racing is a little more expensive than it used to be. The efforts and expenditures necessary to win in IMSA GTP racing are astronomical. So why do companies do it? With the world automotive marketplace becoming an even more competitive war zone, international sports car racing is no longer a stylish whim that some manufacturers casually dabble in. It's a strategic, highly specialized promotional and marketing weapon that can translate into increased visibility and increased sales in a performance-oriented customer base. Nissan is one company that has gone first class in every aspect of its racing pursuits to achieve global recognition for unwavering excellence on every level, in a sport where only the winners are remembered the next day.